last year, way back in 2019, when things were normal, we are already helping our clients sell more by using video to connect with their audience and to stand out in the marketplace. But a lot of you guys just didn't think this was right for you or didn't really see the value in it. But here we are, selling through a pandemic where in-person events are harder to come by than ever. And we know now that mastering video and digital relationship building is more important now than ever. And so if you want to stay relevant in your market, if you want to reduce your marketing costs, then we have an offer that you can't refuse. And by the way, you don't need a fancy library in your house or a movie set to make this work for you.
But you should think about how your office space looks and where your camera is placed before you hit record.
I mean, nobody wants an up-looking camera that goes straight up your nostrils to your brain, or with backlighting that looks like you're on Dateline trying to hide from the mob.
High-end technology is the least of your problems if you don't know how to connect with other human beings through video. And trust me, if you don't know how to do that, you're falling behind in sales.
Jeremy's right. Now is the time to invest in video for your business. See, for far too long, we've let the experts be the ones distributing, recording the content. It is now time as the owner and as the salesperson to be communicating directly to your prospects and to your clients. But we know majority of people don't even know where to get started. That's why we're launching the first of its kind for the property management space of Video Bootcamp, taking place September 24th and 25th. Over the course of 2 days in this virtual event, you're gonna learn everything that you need to know when it comes to video. How to record, how to edit, what to say, how to communicate effectively to where you're building trust with your prospects and your clients so that you get more business done. Make sure that you don't miss out on this event.
So, if you're ready to go to school, up your video game, and differentiate your business like never before, then this is the fastest way to get there. Your competition's gonna wonder why you're stealing all of their prospects, and your customers are gonna thank you for connecting with them at a deeper level, helping them make better decisions, and just truly being human. And that's what Video Bootcamp is all about. This is an exclusive event, and there are only 30 spots available, so you have to act today. Will we see you there, or will you watch your competition leave you behind?